Meera, a 38-year-old software engineer, sought my help. Often she felt inadequate. She valued herself as a software engineer, but she did not value herself in her important relationships with friends and family. In addition, she said she wanted to get married, but she took no action to meet available men. In the course of our work together, I understood that Meera rarely took loving action in her own behalf with her friends and families. For example, one of her close friends, Jodi, when she called her for dinner, even though she was exhausted due to the work, she used to go and attend the parties or attend the dinner because she doesn't want to make Jodi disappointed. Because Jodi used to blame her, or Jodi used to complain about her. So she doesn't want to make her feel. So she used to go and attend the dinner. And after so many years, so many days, she used to feel depressed because of all this. She never realized it was because she had not taken loving care of herself. Meera realized that the reason she was afraid to be in a relationship was because she had no idea how to take care of herself around others. She was terrified of completely losing herself in an important relationship. She realized that she could not speak up with her close friend Jodi. Then how she is going to speak up with her husband when if she get married? She realized that she would continue to feel lonely, anxious, inadequate, and depressed until she learned to take loving action for herself. Friends, many people suffer anxiety, depression, inadequacy, all these because they don't understand, they don't know how to take care of themselves or how to love themselves and how to love others. As a human being, all we want to love somebody and we wanted to be loved by others. That's why most of our activity, actually whatever we are doing, is all because of that. We want to love somebody. Maybe we want to love our family members, we want to love our kids, we want to love our wife, we want to love our parents, we want to love our siblings, we want to love our friends. Same way, we also want to be loved by others. That is why we do all the things in our life, right? So today I'm going to give you two important things how you can take love actions. So there are two categories in love action. One, love action for yourself, and another one, love actions in relationship to others. First, I'm going to tell you how to do love action for yourself, right? Love action for yourself are those actions that attend your own needs. So that shows how important you are in your life, right? So sometimes what happens, we ignore ourselves. When we ignore ourselves, what the message which we are going to give to us, we are giving a message that we are not important for our life. We are not important at all, right? So that should not happen. So we should feel ourselves that we are important in our life. So those, I am going to give you some actions which will help you to improve your love action yourself, right? So number one, take care your health. Do some physical activities, right? So take care of your physics, your body, your health, right? Then number two, you need to have delicious, nutritious food. Never jump into your junk foods or fast foods kind of thing. Try to have nutritious, delicious food, so that that shows one way, it shows that you are interested in taking care of you. That shows that you are important for your life. Then keeping your office and home environment neat and clean, right? So because this is the place where you are actually spending most of your precious time, right? So make sure that you keep everything neat and clean. Then get enough rest. Enough rest in the sense minimum 6 hours to 8 hours. So never skip your rest. Let us say if you are supposed to sleep for 6 hours or 8 hours, never break to that for only 4 hours and balance 4 hours you dedicate for your work and all. Because to take care of your health, you need a proper rest, right? So 6 hours to 8 hours, what you need to invest for your rest. Create a balanced life where you should be able to manage your professional and personal life equally, right? You should have enough time to do your work, office work, and you should have enough time to do your personal activities, and there should be some time to do nothing. You should have time to reflect yourself, learn, play, right? So you should have time for everything. So you should know how to manage everything properly, how to balance everything properly. Create a good support system of people who love you and care you. Then being organize your time and pay bills on time, be disciplined in your life. This all very important in our life. This all shows that you are actually, you value yourself, right? Next, choosing to be compassionate with others rather than judgmental. So never try to judge others or judge yourself. More than that you show compassion towards yourself and others. Then very important one, create a time balance within you and with others, right? So you should have enough time for everything. For example, like in Mira's case, where she wanted to meet Jodi, and what happened, she was not managing the time properly, where most of her time she spent at her office and got exhausted. From there again, at late evening she had to go and attend dinner. So this was actually what happened, where she was not able to manage the time properly, right? So you should be able to manage the time which you are giving to other people, and yourself should be managed properly, right? Then making sure that you are physically safe by wearing seat belts or helmets, nowadays masks, right? So these are very important. That itself you are showing that, okay, I am taking care of myself, correct? I am an important person in my life, so I need to take care of myself. I need to achieve a lot of things through which I have to support a lot of other people, right? So I am an important person in my life, right? So for instance, these are some of the activities which will help you to, or some of the actions which will help you to love yourself, right? So love action for yourself. So make sure that you practice this. Now I am going to tell you what are those actions which you need to take, which you need to do to love other people. Love action in relationship to others. The number one what I want to say is, be kind and compassionate with towards others, right? That's a very important thing. Maybe it can be towards our family members, it can be towards our close friends, it can be towards the people surrounded to us. So whoever it may be always be kind and compassionate towards the people, right? And same way, you need to, second one what I want to say, you need to learn how to say no when the actual situation comes, right? When the situation demands that you need to say no, you need to say no. So you should learn that, right? Same way, you should be able to say yes when the situation demands you yes, right? So that way you should be able to say yes or no whenever the situation needs, right? Then speaking truth, what is acceptable and what is not acceptable, and take action accordingly, right? So that is very important, so that other person will get clarity about yourself, so that you will not have any conflict in between the relation. Taking personal responsibilities for your feeling and needs, instead of being a victim and blaming other people for your feelings, right? So you should understand, I am the only responsible person for my feelings and my needs, right? Then create a balance between giving and receiving. It should not be only one way, right? It should be two way, both the way. So you should have a clear balance in between in receiving as well as in giving, right? So friends, these are some of the actions which will help you to implement in your love action in relationship to others, right? So practice this, start practicing this, and see how you can improve your love towards yourself and love towards other people, right? So friends, I hope you like the information. So before signing off, I want to invite you all for my master classes. I have scheduled some of the master classes, so the link to register for the master class is available in the description. So click on the link and register for the master class. Let us meet at the master class. And one more request, if you're not a subscribe the channel, click on the subscribe button and click on the like button, comment in the comment box, and share this video with your friends and family members. So thank you very much. Wishing you all a happy and successful life.